All right, guys. Um, this is just a brief update I'm coming to give you on the Open Door Scholarship. Remember, we have just 10 days to the end of the application. That is why I'm putting up my best to give you updates and to admonish you to apply for this scholarship. It's an opportunity you don't have to miss. The Open Door Scholarship, I mean, many people have contacted me and they are asking about how the application process is done and all that. And others are still asking for the details on the scholarship. I think I have done 2 videos on that, and you can check in the description below. But I will just highlight on some few things that people ask. Yeah, one of the things they ask is that how is the stipend? Okay, and as I told you, the Open Door Scholarship is fully sponsored by the Russian government, and it is specifically for foreigners. It is meant for international students. Yeah, in my previous videos, I made mention that the stipend varies depending on the program you are taking, whether you are studying in master's, bachelor's, or PhD, or even postdoc. Yeah, as I told you, it used to be for master's and PhD only, but this year the Russian government has added bachelor's and postdoc. And so if you are done with your high school and you want to move into the university, you can take advantage of this opportunity. And if you have graduated from your PhD and you want to continue to do your postdoc, you can still take advantage of this opportunity. Russia is a very nice place, and their research system is very... I am a PhD student, and I'm telling you this, yeah, because if you compare what we have here to what we have back home, I mean, sincerely, I'm not someone who pretends. When it comes to research equipment and everything, they are doing very well. Yeah, because even within the period of your study, your coursework, the practical works you do, I mean, it is going to equip you so well. And I'm going to give a special video. I'm going to make a special video on the benefits of studying in the Russian Federation. Yeah. Other people are asking me, how can they be sure that they will get the scholarship? And I told you, the scholarship is solely based on you. There is an entrance test first. After filling your portfolio, there is an entrance test you need to undertake. Then there are 45 questions, and they are both OBJ, objectives, multiple choice questions. So you will take this test, and you have 3 chances. If you are able to if you exhaust the 3 chances, then the selection committee will pick the best score out of the 3 trials you have made, the 3 attempts you have made, and they will use that one to rate you. So assuming you do the entrance test and you have, first one you have 20 out of 45, second one you have 30 out of 45, and third one you have maybe 40 out of 45, they will take the 40. Yeah, that is it. And then you fill in your details. You need to have your statement of purpose, and that is one thing people have been asking me about, that how do we write a statement of purpose? And those who have contacted me, I have sent a sample of statement of purpose or motivational statement to them to look at it and see how they can write their own. You understand? Yeah, it's just a simple thing. Just write about yourself, your previous education, your current research status, why you want to pursue this particular program you are choosing, and then why you want to undertake the program in the Russian Federation. That is just all that. It's not any difficult thing. So please, as I said earlier on, we have just 10 days to the end of applications, to the closure of applications. Kindly take advantage of this opportunity and apply. Then you take your entrance test. Once you pass the entrance test, then you now go back and prepare for the final test, which will be somewhere in December. So please, this is an opportunity you should not miss. This one, you don't need to translate any documents, because, I mean, previously you needed to translate your documents into Russian language before you can upload. But this year, they have made it easier. If your documents are in English, you can upload without having to translate them. It's only when they are in other languages like French. Some French guys contacted me from Guinea, I think, yeah, Guinea. And then other people from Nigeria, Ghana, and mostly from Ghana contacted me. And I have dedicated time to them and explained to them how it is. But then you can still watch my videos on this channel, and you will get the in total of this scholarship. Please kindly take advantage of this opportunity and apply. Once you pass the exam, I mean, you choose the universities. Some people also ask me about the choices of the universities. So I said that you need to go and read about the universities. I will share a Telegram channel of Open Doors in the description below, so that you can follow, and the list of universities that are covered in Open Doors is listed there. And then you will have to read them and take the names of the universities, and then go and search your preferred program and see if it is offered in English or whichever language you want to study in. Then you will know uh, how to go about the choice of universities, and you have the chance to choose 6 universities. You have the chance to choose 6 universities. So out of the 6 universities, you need to choose them based on priority. So for instance, I will choose Ural Federal University first. If I don't get Ural Federal University, I get Moscow State University or St. Petersburg State University or Itmo University. There are so many universities you need to look around for. So Kazan and all that. So you need to read about the universities and see if your preferred program is taught in the language, your preferred language, and then you are good to go. So please, this is my second but last video on Open Doors application. The last video, I will drop it in 5 days time, when it is at least 5 days to the end of the applications. I will drop another video on, I will update you on it. And also the subsequent videos will now be on updating you on when the exam will be and how to choose your time for the exam and how to undertake the exam. I will be feeding you with all this information, and please kindly subscribe, okay? Kindly subscribe and share, and click on the notification button so that when I put any update there, you'll be able to you'll be able to see and follow. Thank you very much, and I hope I get more people. I hope I'm able to get more people to, I mean, apply for this scholarship. It is not a business for me. I mean, I'm not gaining anything from it, but I just felt that having gotten this opportunity to come and study here in Russia, I feel that it is duty bound on me to also get to convince people to come and study here, because I know a lot of people who are living in Africa who have no money to continue their education, and they just have to sit at home there. And just as I sat 5 years after my bachelor's and no job, no education, I was just there. Yeah, so kindly subscribe, and let's see how we'll go about it. Thank you very much. And then, yeah, I hope I have answered most of the questions that people asked, and I hope it's my submission will be helpful to you in your subsequent endeavors. So kindly take care, and please take advantage of this opportunity and apply. You never know your time. You never know which time God is making for you. So don't leave. That is one thing I believe in. Opportunities don't slide. Okay. Once I get it, I go. If it doesn't work for me, then I mean, it will never discourage me. As time goes on, one will definitely work for me. So I don't allow opportunities to just slide by. Kindly subscribe, and then let's follow. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye bye.